Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic is Chapter 10, C.B.Q-1. Today's lesson number 45. Okay, at first I am reading the question of the C.B.Q. A football field is rectangular in shape whose length of the longest side is 100 meter and width is 7000 centimeter. A number question, convert the width of the field into meter. B number, find the area of the football field, and C number, find the perimeter of the field. At first we will solve A number. Here in A number we have to convert the width of the field into meter. Here given that width is 7000 centimeter, we have to convert it into meter. Given that width of the field is equal to 7000 centimeter. Now we have to convert it into meter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So for converting this to meter, we have to divide this by 100. So 7000 divided by 100. Now we have to write meter, not centimeter. In bracket we will write, since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now if we divide 7000 by 100, then it will be 70 and answer will be 70 meter. Okay, now the students will solve B number. In B number we have to find the area of the field. Since the football field is rectangular and the formula of finding out area is length multiplication width. Here length is 100 meter and from B we get width is 70 meter. That means we have to multiply 100 by 70. Then we can get the area of the field. B number, given that length of the field is 100 meter, from A we get width of the field is 70 meter. We know that area is equal to length multiplication width. Now we'll put the value of length and width. Value of length is 100, multiplication value of width is 70. Square meter is equal to, if we multiply 100 by 70, then it will be 7000 square meter, and answer will be 7000 square meter. Okay, now we'll solve C number. In C number, we have to find out the perimeter of the field. We know that perimeter equal to 2 multiplication length plus width. Here length is 100 meter and width is 70 meter. Here length of the field is 100 meter. Width of the field is 70 meter. We know that perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width is equal to 2 multiplication. Length is 100 plus width is 70. Now 2 multiplication, 100 plus 70 is equal to 170, and the unit of perimeter is meter. Now if we multiply 170 by 2, then it will be 340 meter, and answer will be 340 meter. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.